If you say travel, it is not just about seeking comfort. For me, it is all about adventure. In this video, I am going to share my experience of hiking the third highest mountain in the Philippines, Mount Pulag, which they call the playground of the gods. The day started with a travel from Manila to Benguet. The pickup point was in Cubao, and the service van will be taking us to our destination. Upon arrival in Benguet, the first thing we did was the medical examination. Well, it was just a short checking of our vital signs. Then after that, we were taken to a facility for orientation regarding our hiking activity.
A biodiversity hotspot, a sacred spring.
National park. It was already declared as a protected area. Yun yung pinakamalawak. This is the portion that belongs to the municipality of Kabayan.
After the orientation, our service van took us to our accommodation. From there, we relaxed a little bit, had some hot coffee, meals, and took rest to condition our bodies in preparation for a long hike ahead. At 12 a.m. the following day, we set out and headed to our service vehicle, which will be taking us to the ranger station to start our hike. From there, we started our journey.
Tingnan natin yung bawat isa natin, baka mamaya may nawawala na pala sa atin. Pag sabi na pang may mapipicture, yun lang.
Our pacing was average, I would say. It wasn't slow, nor that fast. Yet, I couldn't deny the amount of tiredness I felt upon reaching the Camp 1. As we move forward and ascended to Camp 2, I am starting to feel a big change in air temperature. However, despite a much colder ambience at the top, I am still sweating and my knees are telling me to halt for a while. To my excitement, I hurriedly went ahead, leaving my companions behind. From afar, I could see some lights from other hikers. After a long while, I reached the summit, together with a few others who came first. We waited for more than an hour at the summit before the dawn finally opened its wing. And as the golden rays of the sun starts breaking out, we were excited to witness how Mount Pulag reveals its magnificent beauty in front of our eyes. guys, ang daming nagpapapicture dito. Nakapila pa.
Baliktad na ngayon.
We were unfortunate to see a huge sea of clouds, yet we were amazed with the majestic mountain ridges and vast grassland covering the wide panoramic view our eyes could capture. The beautiful sunrise gave us chills, and the cold air temperature made us endure the heat of the sun, which is starting to show its presence gradually. Our eyes were satisfied with the raw beauty that Mount Pulag has been hiding ever since. It is a hike of a lifetime, and we're devouring every sights we could behold. Haba ng pila doon? Ha? Mag-group pic tayo doon? After staying at the summit for almost 2 hours, we decided to go down and head back, taking the Ambangig Trail, which was also the trail we took when entering the mountain. We were exhausted, yet fulfilled with what we have experienced. Aside from the panoramic view at the summit, we were greeted by the amazing Musi forest on our way down. It is like we were taken to a different world as we embrace the peculiar surrounding that is comparable to the world of Avatar. And that's for today. I hope you are happy, and may your wish to climb Mount Pulag be a reality in the future. Do not be afraid to take risks and discover new things. Be an adventurer of your own story. This is Miko, your friendly traveler, and this is Wonderverse.